friends, today I am going to teach you how to shade a shivling. I have drawn some bushes. Now let's start with the lake. So first we will draw a little curved line. After that we have to draw some mountains. And the last thing, we have to draw the shivling. Now we'll start shading. First we have to take a dark pencil and start shading. First we have to color some portion of the bushes very darkly. Depends on the thing, how are you coloring. If it's big, you have to make a large portion. Now we did some medium shade. The last shade is light, and light can go till the end also. Enough. Now we'll just shade lightly in the crooked part. You can take a tissue or your finger. Now we have to do the same thing with the other bush. Now I'll show you how to shade the shivling. So you can take any dark pencil or 10B. So we have to shade it very darkly. But be careful, the color should not go inside the lines. Shading the lake after the shivling. You just have to take a light pencil and shade it. smudge it now. We have to make the highlights. So we have to take a thin eraser and make some random lines. And you can erase the parts which came out. This is looking so perfect. You can also make this, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share our video. Thank you.